Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see the Qianfan OCR. This is a new OCR from Baidu and it's a unified end-to-end model for document intelligence. Qianfan OCR is a 4 billion parameter end-to-end document intelligence model developed by Baidu Qianfan Team. It unifies document parsing, layout analysis and document understanding within a single vision language architecture. So I will show you the demo of this model, and this is the URL where you will get the demo. Let's run this one, text extraction. Click here and then run this. So it is now acquired the GPU and is processing, waiting for GPU to acquire. Successfully acquired a GPU and now it is processing. Meanwhile, see the architecture. OCR system architecture is a simple OCR architecture. OCR system architecture comparison: A, two-stage pipeline, and second is the end-to-end pipeline. Qianfan OCR unifies all processing into a single vision language model, accepting customer. Qianfan OCR unifies all processing into a single vision language model, accepting customer prompts for flexible task control and optionally generating intermediate layout reasoning via layout as thought. So model architecture overview is model architecture overview. You can go through this document for model architecture and other details. Now the text is extracted. You can see this is the image and it extracted the all data. And there is another table parsing. Let's try to run this. So it is going to parse this table. Run it. So prompt is, please convert the table into the HTML. Please convert the table in the image into HTML. So it converted into HTML table. So that's great OCR, and we can use it with. So this is document parsing. So here you can see the demo of Qianfan OCR. So this Qianfan OCR is a unified end-to-end model for document intelligence, and you can run it using the transformers on Google Colab and Kaggle, and local apps as a VLLM. And this is a nice documentation, and this is the code to run it locally. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.